Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to transplant elderberry bushes. Plan for dormancy and pick a site with good sun and drainage. Prepare the new hole twice the roots spread and loosen soil. Water the bush a day before moving and dig a wide root ball to protect feeder roots. Replant at the same depth, firm soil gently, water deeply, and mulch to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Start by reducing top growth to 1/3 to ease transplant stress and make handling easier. Water the elderberry a day before digging to keep the soil around roots intact and reduce root breakage. Use a sharp spade and cut a generous root ball, keeping feeder roots intact. Wrap the root ball if moving far and move promptly to the prepared hole to minimize drying and shock. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying practical how-to-content, consider a short read that clears financial clutter and frees time for projects. The Simple Path to Wealth is a straightforward book that helps simplify money decisions so you can focus on gardening and life. If this sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals. Subscribe and like if this helped you. Now let's get back to the video. Place the elderberry in the center of the hole at the same crown depth as before to prevent burying or exposing roots. Backfill with a mix of native soil and compost to improve structure without over-fertilizing. Firm soil gently to remove air pockets and water deeply until the soil settles. Apply a 2 to 3 inch mulch ring, keeping it away from the trunk, and stake only if necessary for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.